Where are you going?
Dinosaur.
Huh? Dinosaur?
Parrot.
Saan ka nakasakay? Bus? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Where's the train? You're going to... Where are you going? SM? SM? Ang layo ng SM mo ah.
Yeah, what's that?
The train. Yung puti sa amin. Tingnan.
Hi there. Hi. Ito muna ka. Siguro tayo. Dito na tayo. Sa room natin. Kami. So, ito po yung room namin. Hey, hi Tyler. Hi. Dito na po kami sa room namin. Yan, ganyan lang siya. May TV, may aircon. So, isang queen size bed yung binook namin. Ayan, so, meron siyang foldable table. Check natin yung CR. So, ito yung CR. Yung lababo, toilet, and shower. So, may divider lang siya. So, may extra blower dito. Yan lang. So, ganun lang kalaki yung room. We're going to Clark Safari! Bye-bye! So, inintay namin yung grab namin and nandito na yung grab na binook namin. So, bawal daw kasi tricycle and jeep papunta ng Clark Safari.
The way na kami pa safari.
at Clark Safari! Yay!
Animal encounter. Dalawang adult sa isang kids. 1697. Tapos, magdadagdag ka rin naman. Audio Jungle.
Wow!
Ano? Ipan?
Pwede pa again? Wala, ano naman yun?
Ano?
Picture tayo kay mami. Ayun, kay mami. Smile, smile kay mami muna. Smile. Ganun, ganun. Ganun. Dalawa.
Balon.
Ah, oh, what's that? This one. Hey, what's that? Turtle. Ayun o.
Ano?
Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Ayun o, what's that? What's that?
Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. Ayun po, tortoise oh. Laki! Hi, tortoise! Uy, saltwater crocodile. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. What's that?
Turtle.
Huh?
Turtle.
Crocodile. Ikaw din, namumula din mukha mo eh. Wow, isa.
Turtle.
Crocodile. Philippine forest turtle.
Turtle?
Ah, turtle. Oh, yan. What's that? Naligaw ba yan?
Lizard.
Lizard.
What's that?
Oh, go. What's that? Say hi, lizard. Touch.
No.
Touch mo yung lizard.
Touch mo yung lizard.
mo.
Yan, wala yan. Ganun na. Oh, wala.
You.
Go, go. Wala yan, wala. Sa namin lang yan.
Sige, touch mo. Go.
The poke. Ayun tayo na. What's that? Hello, iguana. Hello, turtle. Very good. Come here. Oh, ayun, more turtle.
What's that?
Come here, tayo.
Iguana. We're going to... Wow! A lot of fish! Wow! What?
Wow, Tyler, I'll put your bunny.
Come here! Come here! Come here, anak! Come here!
Tyler, look, oh, dito. Look. Hi.
Say hi!
Say hi. What's
Say hi!
that? What's that? Hi, donkey. Ah, picture tayo dito.
Wow! A picture!
Let's go. Come here, let's go. Here. Hamadryas baboon. Ayun o. So, di kita. Ayun o, Tyler o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Come here. Ayun o. Wow! Ito magandang view. Wow! Ay, mababasag na. Tyler, what's that, Tyler?
Picture, picture. Dito. Picture tayo sa tiger. Ito, ganyan.
Hey, hey. Hi, Tyler. Umikot pa ka. Sabi mo tayo, toko. Toko. Sabi mo tayo, toko. Go.
Ano to? Snake?
Itatago siguro.
Ay, ayun. Nasa ilalim ng bato.
O, dyan na. Go to daddy.
Dito na. Wala tayo. Ayun o. Laki yun.
Wow.
Wow. What's that? Ano nga yan?
Buto.
Butaan. Wala na.
Wala.
Yan yung mga matatapang eh. Meron din sila yan. Galing naman nila. Halika. Wait lang, may wild dogs oh. Ayun oh, tiger, Tyler. Hi, tiger.
Hello, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, tiger. Hi, tiger. Say hi, tiger.
Hello, bye-bye.
Ayun oh, ayun oh. Hello, tiger. Oh. Dito yung maingay.
Ito, mami.
Dito yung maingay. Ah, ayun. Lion. Lion. Ayun oh. Lion. Baka gutom na to.
Lion. Ano?
Ayun oh. Kaya nag-iingay. Tingin ko gutom na.
Lion. Lion. Baba. Lion.
Lion baba. Babae at lalaking lion. Sit down. Let's sit here. Hi, lion.
Ah, lion.
Naka-zoom hand. Hi, lion.
Ay, sleepy lion.
Sleepy lion?
Ah, si lion.
Kahit ano yung reaction ni Tyler. Anong ginagawa ni lion?
Sleepy lion.
Sleep si lion. What's that? Oh. What's that?
Ang dabaw.
Dalawa? Two lion?
Si lion.
Wow. Picture tayo dyan.
Ito. Ano?
Ang cool. Ayun o, Wolf. Hi, Wolf. Say hi, Wolf. Wolf. Hi, Wolf. Hi, Wolf. How are you, Wolf? Hi, Leopard. Kahit mo si Tyler. Kahit mo si Tyler. Hi, Leopard. Say hi, Leopard. Hi, Wolf. Hi, Wolf. Ka dito tayo na. Hi, Wolf. Di ba sana miglang yan? Hindi kaya dyan mabuhay dyan, no? Yan. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, what's that? Horse.
Hi,
Tawagin mo yung horse. Tawagin mo nga yung horse.
Ay.
Say hi to horse.
Ay.
Oh. Say ostrich. Say hi. Kaway. Hi ostrich. Oh.
Ano?
Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? Picture ka, picture.
Ano?
Picture ka dyan, picture.
DJ Iban. Ano?
Sa giraffe?
Na ito. Iban.
Go, go. Picture tayo.
Bali sila po mag-hold nung...
Pwede kayo lumapit ng konti.
Touch mo. Hi, kanina.
Patingin po muna kayo dito sa camera. Kuya, yan. Tingin ka po dito. Kuya, then thumbs up po kayo, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Tiger pose naman po.
Sige po,
Sige po,
pwede
touch
po
mo.
hawakan.
Hi, tiger. Hi, baby tiger.
Ano? Hiniinom nila. Yung milk lang talaga.
Formulated.
Okay, tingin po kayo ulit dito sa camera. Kuya.
Say hi.
Eh,
Tinutulok niya yung kamay ko.
Okay, last one po.
Alas mo?
Last one daw.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, tiger. Ang cute.
Pwede po muna kayo wash ng kamay niyo doon. Ganyan lang po yung mga pictures.
Sige po.